Hi, my name is Eric Stavola, and I want to walk you through something I get asked a lot: how to create an intro kind of video in PowerPoint. And it's quite simple, and I'll walk you through it here in a short amount of time. What am I talking about? Watch this video here. This is just simply how to create kind of a slide that comes in, right? That just you put as an intro with a dynamic fly-in. And you build it out of PowerPoint. So let's get right into it. I'll walk you through what that looks like here as I pull up my screen. Hold on one second. Okay, so I'm in PowerPoint here, and I got a simple picture. As you can see, I have that picture here. So the first thing is I want to build an overlay. So I create a new page, new slide, have a page here, and I'm gonna go up to shapes, and I'm gonna hit enter, which just go to square. I'm gonna start at top right corner, and I'm just gonna start, and I'm gonna hold down the click button, I'm gonna drag way over. So now I have this solid shape here, but then I'm gonna go to a transparency. So typically if this is not here, I could right click and hit format shape, but this will populate. So if this wasn't here, you'd have to right click, go format shape, and you would come down to line or fill, and you would see transparency, and I'm gonna go all the way to like 38. And so if you want to change the color on this, let's make this a little bit of, a little bit of dark blue. And so, you know what, I'm gonna make this, I'll make this black. So I'll make it black, looks kind of gray here, but you'll see, now I'm gonna highlight everything, I'm gonna hit cut, and I'm gonna come right over to my screen here, I'm gonna hit paste. So now I have an overlay, so I can actually put my text in. So now I wanna put my text in, so I'm gonna hit enter, I'm gonna come over to text box, and wherever I want my text. So now I'm gonna put in the name of the title, so this would be your title of video, and if I spell title right, so I'm going to highlight, I'm going to change this to white, and I'm going to increase the font here, and I'm going to move it, well, you can move it wherever you'd want. Let's say I'm going to move it right here, and I'm going to bold this, and so I use 44, and then I want it down below, this would be subtitle, like your name. I'll put my name here, and we'll make this probably half. So we're 44, I'm gonna change this to 22 or 24, and then I like to just put one other line here. So I'm gonna go insert shape, I'm gonna do a line right here, just kind of lets us see. So I'll do it here. I'm going to change this outline to white. I'm going to change the effect or outline to weight. I'm going to go to heavy, and I'm going to move that here. All right, now I'm going to group all of this. So I'm going to highlight that, highlight this, right click, and go group. So now they're grouped. And now I'm going to go to my animation. And in this one, I'm going to just say just fade in. If you wanted the fly in, like we had the fly in here, but what I don't like about this, so it's coming from the bottom, I can go to effects options and go from left to right. I don't like it coming across the entire screen. So I'm going to do wipe, but it's coming from bottom up. I'm going to do left to right. And so now that gives me the same amount. And I'm going to slow it down a little bit, so I'm just going to increase the duration. So I'm going to delete this, and now if I have that, I can go to play, and what does this look like? I have my title here, and so if you want to see it one more time, I can hit play, and I'm going to hit play, and there you go. You have a title that comes up, and working from that standpoint. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to home, and I'm just going to now export this, hit go to record. I'm going to export to video. I'm going to customize the video, and I'm going to change this to like 2 seconds in duration. I'm going to create the video, and I'm just going to call this my title side. them. I'll just put it on my desktop so it's easy to find. Once it gets done, I can view the video. Just hit yes. Came up over on the other screen. So now here's my video of my intro of a title slide. So what we covered today was how to actually build a title slide in PowerPoint. A couple things that we did is we created an overlay that you see here over top of a picture. Why did we do that? We did that so we could overlay text on top. So really what we're creating layers. Bottom layer is a picture, second layer is the overlay. You can change the color if you'd want, like to match whatever you'd like to have it stand out. You can just play around with this over the colors and you can see it makes a big difference over to what you're trying to do. And then we built out the kind of a shape here with a title, and then we put in an animation. But very simple to do, building a title slide out of PowerPoint. You don't have to export this. If you just want to build this out and have this as a normal title slide within a deck, you can do that as well. So my name is Eric Stavola. This is just kind of how to perform better with technology, and these are some quick PowerPoint tips. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you look for more videos coming shortly.